1. I das a student. A is B, A C, D, B. Answer. C, am. 2. She das to school every day. A. Go B, goes C, going D, gone. Answer. B, goes. 3. They das playing football now. A is B, A C, was D, B. Answer. B, A. 4. The cat is sitting das the table. A, in B, on C, at D, from. Answer. B, on. 5. He is das honest man. A, B, and C, the D, no article. Answer. B, an. 6. My father das very tall. A, B, A, C, is D, B. Answer. C, is. 7. We das in India. A, lives B, living C, live D, lived. Answer. C, live. 8. The sky das blue. A, is B, A, C, was D, wa. Answer. A, is. 9. I have das pencils. A, many B, much C, A, D, 1. Answer. A, many. 10. There a bird on the tree. A, is B, A, C, wa, D, was. Answer. A, is. 11. She das tea, not coffee. A, like B, likes C, liking D, liked. Answer. B, likes. 12. The sun das in the east. A, rise B, rises C, rising D, rose. Answer. B, rises. 13. They das very happy today. A, is B, A, C, was D, B. Answer. B, A. 14. I can das English. A, speak B, speaks C, speaking D, spoke. Answer. A, speak. 15. The baby is das in the cradle. A, sleep B, slept C, sleeping D, sleeps. Answer. C, sleeping. 16. I saw das elephant in the zoo. A, B, and C, the D, no article. Answer. B, an. 17. We go to school das bus. A, in B, on C, by D, from. Answer. C, by. 18. She is das than her sister. A, tall B, taller C, tallest D, more tall. Answer. B, taller. 19. There are das apples in the basket. A, some B, any C, much D, A. Answer. A, some. 20. I das my homework yesterday. A, do B, did C, done D, doing. Answer. B, did. 21. She das watching TV now. A, is B, A, C, was D, wa. Answer. A, is. 22. They das to the park yesterday. A, go B, goes C, went D, gone. Answer. C, went. 23. The boys das football every evening. A. Play. B. Plays. C. Played. D. Playing. Answer. A. Play. 24. I das my lunch at 2 p.m. every day. A. Eat. B. Eats. C. Eating. D. Ate. Answer. A. Eat. 25. He does a new car last week. A. Buy. B. Buys. C. Bought. D. Buying. Answer. C. Bought. 26. We does our homework now. A. Do. B. Did. C. A. Doing. D. Done. Answer. C. A. Doing. 27. She does not like cold drinks. A. Does. B. Do. C. Is. D. Has. Answer. A. Does. 28. There does two birds on the tree. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. D. Has. Answer. B. Are. 29. He is the das boy in the class. A. Tall. B. Taller. C. Tallest. D. Most tall. Answer. C. Tallest. 30. The baby das when she heard the noise. A. Cry. B. Cried. C. Cries. D. Crying. Answer. B. Cried. 31. We das go to school on Sundays. A. Don't. B. Doesn't. C. Not. D. Didn't. Answer. A. Don't. 32. The opposite of big is das. A. Large. B. Small. C. Huge. D. Tall. Answer. B. Small. 33. My bag is das than yours. A. Heavy. B. Heavier. C. Heaviest. D. Most heavy. Answer. B. Heavier. 34. The dog ran das the road. A. Across. B. On. C. Over. D. At. Answer. A. Across. 35. I das my keys somewhere. A. Lose. B. Lost. C. Losing. D. Loses. Answer. B. Lost. 36. She das me yesterday. A. Call. B. Called. C. Calls. D. Calling. Answer. B. Called. 37. I das breakfast at 8 a.m. A. Take. B. Took. C. Taken. D. Taking. Answer. A. Take. 38. The teacher is very das. A. Kind. B. Kindly. C. Kindness. D. Kindest. Answer. A. Kind. 39. He das to music in the arena. Listen. B. Listens. C. Listened. D. Listening. Answer. B. Listens. 40. We das going to the zoo tomorrow. A. Are. B. Is. C. Was. D. Wa. Answer. A. Are.